Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna battle out my closet. As you can see, I have not been keeping up with it, literally throwing everything I can in here just not to deal with it. But today's the day we have to deal with it. So I'm gonna go in here and just take everything out. I find it more easier to pick up if I put everything in one section.
Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you were the one.
I make a bad habit of just buying items and just not using them, and they just get stuck anywhere I can put them. Then I'm always buying clothes thinking, okay, I don't have anything. Yeah, I do, but I don't know about it because my closet looks like this. So hopefully we can get this a little bit more in tune going forward. I'm gonna go ahead and declutter as much things as I can, donate, throw away things that just aren't gonna be useful for anyone, and just go from there.
Oh, and your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive.
In the next couple of videos, you're gonna see me declutter majority parts of my home, including my daughter's room. It has a bunch of toys that they don't use, the laundry room, and as well as the kitchen area and living room. Also, we have 2 additional closets I want to hit as well.
And I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause
Mama bears, if you have a closet like this and you have to take care of it soon, don't get discouraged. I was so discouraged when I sat on the bed and saw a big mountain of clothes. But in the end, after I finally got rid of everything, sectioned it out, it made my night feel like heaven. It's just an amazing feeling when you finally get rid of things that don't have a place in your life at the current time, and you can give it to someone else, or if it's in a bad shape, to throw it away. This is the fun part. I separated everything that I'm donating, everything I'm trashing, everything I'm keeping. The bigger pile is donation pile, which I'm very proud of. Now we're done, and everything on that slight corner is all I'm keeping, and it just needs to be washed. If you guys like this declutter video, please comment below and hit that thumbs up.